Welcome to the Bear Cave. I'm Smoking Bears. Blessed to have you with us. And today we're doing a taste test review of something. I was walking through the store and I saw this. Boom. Are you serious? This is the only way that I got New England clam chowder in cornfields in Ohio. This, but it wasn't Old Bay. Old Bay. Now I missed out on the Old Bay goldfish. Can't find them anywhere. I saw a lady with them. She told me where she got them, and I haven't found them there yet. But I saw this. 2 for $4. So we're gonna give it a go. Cheers. All right, so here's our can. Pull top. First impressions. Looks yellow. Kind of orangish. Okay. Let's get this dumped in. I already had my skillet heating, or my little 2-quart Dutch oven heated up. Let's go ahead and scrape this out. Looks good, doesn't it? I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but I know clam chowder is supposed to be white, so with the paprika and stuff that's in the Old Bay, looks like it's supposed to be like that. It's good enough. Bold twist on a hearty classic. We will soon find out. We're just going to let this heat up a little bit. I don't want to scorch it, so I got it on low. Just in case, I have a little more Old Bay seasoning off to the side, so if we need to add it, we can add it. So we're just going to sit here and stir, stir, stir. As you can see, it was still bubbling a bit because my iron was hot. I'm kind of excited. Like I said, I looked for Old Bay, came out with goldfish, and I couldn't find the goldfish. So when I saw this, I knew it was something that had to be. At first I thought it was a joke on Instagram. It turns out it's real. Turns out it's real. I'm excited. What about you, Pay?
Yep, excited.
Alright, it's only been a few minutes and we're still on low. We're getting bubbles all the way through. I think she's ready to eat. Doesn't take long. Alright, so let's pick this up and move it over to the... Let's kill the fire. Most important thing. Get the fire shut off. Let's get her moved over. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I think that looks pretty darn good. What do you think, Pete?
Yeah.
She's not as excited. So, I got my spoon. Let me go ahead and spoon some of this in. Some of them big chunks. You see those chunks? Okay. Here we have it. Now, give me just a second. Alright, so now we got this heated up into our 2-quart Dutch oven. We're going to try this out. Alright, so let's give this a taste. Because Charlie's going to laugh when I burn my gizzard. I do get some of the Old Bay seasoning. I think what I want to do though is I want to add a little bit more. Just a bit. I mean, I can taste it in there. It's not too prevalent. It's not real spicy. But let's just add a little bit more. Just a little bottle doesn't want to do it. There we go. Just a little bit more. Some fresh parsley. Because Corey says I gotta have color. Alright, so now let's try that. What do y'all think? Ooh, I like this little bowl thing. Little chowder bowl. That's better than what I hoped it was. It did need just a little bit more. That is what I was looking for. It's like the clam chowder with the kick. Just a little kick. A nice little Cajun flair to it. Alright, well that's all I got. This was a great one. Check out the hashtag Cast Iron Wednesdays for more great recipes. Come back and see our playlist on whatever else. And you know what? Everybody have a great one. And remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers.